njagala kuba njagala ku price ya zino enkoko surely muziraba ko zino nnene ezo bagamba ebanga muzimanya ekirala zibeera nnungi zibeera vaccinated well vaccinated engere bigye yalaze irengere kati zibeera well vaccinated zino enkoko zange njagala obategeeza well vaccinated inbox me call me twogere place your order now kukolera delivery yena gy'oli kuzongera zikutuusa kate ezange osasula omaze kuzifuna naye zino zagumu bbiri omulala sayizi eno yagumu bbiri
carry on, just carry on, please carry on. Don't lose courage cause the world hates you. Don't turn your back into the Lord. Don't give up because people talk. No, the Lord has plans for you. The world will talk. The world will say. People will talk. But no matter what, God's timing is the best. Carry on, brother. Carry on, just carry on. Carry on, sis. Carry on, just carry on.
njagala zita zitambule mu compound nja kufuna enkoko ennungi nga zino bwe ziti ebika ebyo ebyo nga si zino bwe ziti zino emmyufu nizo zirimu bukalakala obulala obwo zijja kukola bulungi okay
just carry on, carry on, oh carry on, carry on. Just carry on, please carry on. Don't lose courage because the world hates you. Don't turn your back into the Lord. Don't give up because people talk. No, the Lord has plans for you. The world will talk. The world will say. People will talk. But no matter what, God's timing is the best. Carry on, brother. Carry on. Just carry on, sis. Carry on, just carry on. The life I live is a testimony. The life I live is by the grace of God. So I don't have to fear. I don't have to worry because the Lord I serve, He knows my tomorrow. The world will talk. The world will say. People will talk. But no matter what, God's timing is the best. Carry on, carry on, carry on, carry on, no matter how, carry on, no matter when, just carry on. I should not be afraid. Carry on, carry on, carry on. I am not afraid. Carry on, just carry on. No matter what people talk, no matter what people say, no matter what the world will do. No no matter what the world will say. It shouldn't change your destiny. It shouldn't change your energy. Oh yes. It shouldn't change your prayer life.
O studio Lokanani.
Leave them to talk. Hear them say, it's God who knows your tomorrow. It's Him who knows your destiny.